time. Motologic muna tayo. Ano ang tawag sa unahan ng sasakyan? Comment down below kung ano ang sagot. It's motojoke time. Juan, pare bakit kinakahiya ng mga bik ang nanay nila? Pedro, bakit pare? Juan, kasi baboy ang nanay nila. It's motojoke time. Wala naman talagang taong pangit. Nagkataon lang na ang mukha nila ay di pa uso sa panahon ngayon. It's motojoke time. Lady, father, ang gwapo at ang cute mo naman. Bakit ka pa kasi nagpari? Priest, dahil ayaw pumayag ng magulang ko na magmadre ako. Nakakalungkot girl. It's motojoke time.
Broccoli. I look like a tree. Walnut. I look like a brain. Mushroom. I look like an umbrella. Corn. A piece of me looks like a tooth. Apple. Well, my shape looks like a heart. Banana. Please change topic. Eggplant. Correct.
It's motojoke time. Masakit sabihin ang, I hate you. Mahirap sabihin ang, I'm sorry. Lalo na ang, I love you. Pero pinakamahirap sabihin ang, iskibirit chibuo, iskiribabo, blupakiribit kiribit. It's motojoke time.
3 men went on a swimming competition. An American, a Japanese and a Filipino. The rule was simple: swim through the lake full of alligators, reach the other side alive and win unlimited cash. Confident, Phelps went first. But in the middle of his dive, a gator appeared in front of him and swallowed him whole. The crowd was shocked, yet they all booed. Eager to prove his greatness against America, the Japanese went next. Sadly, the same gator that swallowed Phelps also ate JP whole. The crowd again was disappointed. They were all ready to leave the place, hopeless that nobody would win the unlimited cash. But they were all stunned in their places when they saw the Filipino guy swimming fast, dodging the gator's snaps left and right, and finally reached the other side. They all cheered, "Way to go, Manny." Woo. The leaders of the losing states then went to interview the Filipino. What would you do with the unlimited cash? I'm gonna look for that fucking guy who pushed me. That stupid motherfucker almost got me killed.
It's motojoke time. Si Juan ay nasa isang klinik upang magpabunot ng ngipin. Juan, Doc, duwag ako magpabunot ng ngipin. Doctor, no problem. Heto ang beer, uminom ka. Uminom si Juan ng 3 boteng beer. Doctor, oh, matapang ka na ba? Juan, oo Doc, kapag may gumalaw ng ngipin ko gugulpihin ko. It's Moto Joke Time! Iabangan kung sino matandang lola. Pedro, alam ninyo? Lola ko matanda na 90 years old na pero nagsasayaw pa ng cha-cha. Juan, teenager pa pala yung lola mo, Pedro. Lola ko 100 years old na pero nag-aararo pa sa bukid. Isko, ano ba yung mga lola ninyo puro kindergarten pa lang? Lola ko 120 years old na pero nandun pa rin sa ospital. Sagot ng dalawa, bakit may sakit ba lola mo kaya nasa ospital? Kala ko ba malakas yan? Sagot ni Isko, nasa ospital siya kasi binabantayan niya lola niya, mga nganak kasi. It's Moto Joke Time! Sa loob ng simbahan ng Quiapo, isang batang pulubi ang mataimtim na nanalangin sa Diyos. Pulubi, Panginoon kung maaari po sana ay bigyan ninyo ako ng 10 piso dahil gutom na lang po ako. Narinig siya ng isang pulis na kasalukuyan ding nagsisimba at bumilib siya sa katatagan ng bata sa pananampalataya sa Diyos. Sa kanyang habag ay dumukot siya ng 5 piso at iniabot sa bata na ang sabi, Amang, narinig ng Diyos ang panalangin mo at heto tanggapin mo ang perang ito at ibili mo ng pagkain. Tumangala ang bata sa pulis, kinuha niya ang 5 pisong iniabot at muling yumuko para manalangin, Panginoon, salamat po sa pagdinig ninyo sa aking panalangin, pero sana naman po sa uli-uli wag na ninyong pararaanin pa sa pulis, kasi malaki na ang bawas. It's Moto Joke Time!
2 ghosts were sharing stories of their deaths. Juan asked first, "What killed you?" "I was locked inside a fridge," Pedro said. "I was cold and trembling, then suffocated after an hour." "That sucks, man," replied Juan. "I got a heart attack and passed away." "What happened?" asked Pedro. "As I got home from work, I saw another man's shoes on our doorstep. I rushed to my wife's room and saw her naked and trembling. I was furious and searched the whole house. I checked the rooms, cabinets, kitchen, ceiling, everywhere, but I didn't see anyone," answered Juan. "After searching, my chest was hurting and I had a heart attack." "Dumbass," shouted Pedro, "if you opened the fridge and drank some cold water, we'd still be both alive."
It's Moto Joke Time! Moto Hugot of the Day. Yelo ka ba? Sarap mo kasi ipukpok sa pader. Moto Hugot of the Day. Bagay sa'yo maging amo, inalila mo kasi ang puso ko. Sana posporo ka at posporo din ako, para match tayo. It's Moto Joke Time! Bakit pag umiinom tayo ng isang basong tubig parang ang hirap? Pero pag umiinom tayo ng Red Horse kahit isang case parang kulang pa. It's Moto Joke Time! Short jokes. Electric fan. Pinapaikot mo lang ako. Nagsasawa na ako. Mabuti pang patayin mo na lang ako. Winnie the Pooh. Hindi lahat ng walang salawal ay bastos. Atheist. Alam mo ba wala akong ibang hinahangad kundi ang mapalapit sa'yo, pero patuloy ang pag-iwas mo. Hipon. Hala, sige magpakasasa ka. Alam ko namang katawan ko lang ang habol mo. Lema. Hindi lahat ng green ay masustansya. Gasolina. Ayoko na. Pag nagmamahal ako lagi na lang maraming tao ang nagagalit. Wala ba akong karapatang magmahal? Utot. Hindi ko hinahangad na ipagmalaki mo na ako'y sa iyo. Ayoko lang naman na sa harap ng maraming tao ganun mo na lang ako itanggi. Bola. Tawang-sawa na ako, palagi na lang akong pinagpapasapasahan, pagod na ako. Snatcher. You never know what you have till you lose it. And once you lose it, you can never get it back. Ni Jinbo. Hindi lahat ng pink, kikay. TV. Ginawa ko naman lahat para sumaya ka, mahirap ba talagang makontento sa isa? Bakit palipat-lipat ka? Kili-kili. Hindi lahat ng maasim may vitamin C. Omelette. Tige, batiin mo ako. Tige, bati, tibag. Pilitin mo man na alisin ako sa buhay mo, babalik at babalik ako. Kulangot, wag mo na akong bilugin. Lego, paano tayo makakabuo kung hindi ako papatong sa iyo? Regla, hindi lahat ng dugo pwedeng i-donate. It's Moto Joke time! Student, sir, can I have a question? Teacher, yes. Student, how do you put an elephant inside a fridge? Teacher, I don't know. Student, it's easy, you just open the fridge and put it in. Student, I have another question. Teacher, okay, ask. Student, how to put a donkey inside the fridge? Teacher, it's easy, you just open the fridge and put it in. Student, no sir. You just open the fridge, take out the elephant and put it in. Teacher, oh, okay. Student, let me ask another one. If all the animals went to the lion's birthday party, and one animal went missing, which one would it be? Teacher, the lion, of course. Because it would eat all the animals. Student, no sir. It is the donkey because it's still inside the fridge. Teacher, are you kidding me? Student, no sir. Student, one last question. Teacher, okay. Student, if there's a river full of crocodiles and you wanted to cross, how would you? Teacher, there's no way. I would need a boat to cross. Student, no sir. You just swim and cross it because all the animals went to the lion's birthday party. It's Moto Joke time! Battle of the Brainless. Host, what, N, is the national tree of the Philippines? Contestant, Nyog. Host, mas matigas pa dyan. Contestant, in a strong-sounding voice, Nyog. Host, saan? B, binaril si Jose Rizal. Contestant, sa back. Host, oh sige. Pwede rin na ang simula ay letter, L. Contestant, likod. Host, hindi pa rin. Para mas madali, RP, ang initials ng modern name nito. Contestant, rear part. Susme, likod pa rin yon. Host, saan? B, tayo madalas pumunta pag summer upang maligo. Contestant, banyo. Host, hindi. Pag pumunta ka doon, maa-erewan ka. Contestant, bubong. Host, hindi. Marami kang makikita dong mga babaeng nakabikini. Contestant, beer house. Host, anong? L, ang tawag sa tao na sumasadyap sa iyo pag ikaw ay nalulunod. Contestant, lifebuoy. Host, hindi. Pero kahawig nga ng pangalan ng sabon ang pangalan ng ito. Contestant, safeguard. Host, hindi. Pagsamahin mo yung dalawang sagot mo. Contestant, safe buoy. Host, hindi siya boy at matipuno nga ang kanyang katawan. Contestant A, Mr. Clean. Host, anong? S, ang ginagamit na flotation device sa dagat upang hindi ka malunod. Contestant, Sirena. Host, hindi. Hindi ito babae. Contestant, si Yokoy. Host, hindi ito lalaki. Contestant, Shoke. Host, what? S, is the national flower of the Philippines. Contestant, sunflower. Host, hindi. Pinibente ito sa kalye. Contestant, stork. Host, hindi. Bulaklak sabi eh. Contestant, sitsarong bulaklak. Host, hindi pa rin. It ends with a letter, A. Contestant, sitsarong bulaklak na may suka. Host, O. Para madali, Uulitin ko ang clues at dadagdagan ko pa anong pangalan ng bulaklak na nagsisimula sa S, nagtatapos sa letrang A, at kapangalan ng isang sikat na singer. Contestant, C. Sharon Cuneta. Host, sino ang kauna-unahang chess grandmaster of Asia? Contestant, Carol King. Host, hindi, mas mababa sa King. Contestant, Al Queen. Host, hindi, Tagalog ang apelyido niya. Contestant, Armida Sigyon Reyna. Host, hindi pa rin. Mas mababa sa Reyna. Contestant, Bishop Bacani. Host, mas mababa sa Bishop. Contestant, Johnny Midnight. Host, mas mababa sa Knight. Contestant, Jerry Pons. Host, oh, ayan na, nabanggit mo na lahat ng pyesa sa chess. Yung kahuli-hulihang pyesa na lang. Contestant, Sylvia Latore. Host, sino ang national hero na nakapicture sa 500 peso bill? Clue, may initials na NA. Contestant, Nora Honor. Host, hindi. Ang pangalan niya ay nag-e-end sa Y. Contestant, Guy Honor. Host, hindi. Dati siyang senador. Contestant, si former Senator Guy Honor. Host, hindi. Patay na siya. Contestant, ano? Patay na si Nora Honor. One more dagdag. Host, what? K is the national animal of the Philippines. Contestant, kuto. Host, hindi. Clue, it tills the land. Contestant, kutong lupa. It's Moto Joke Time! Patient, Doc, may problema ako? Tuwing alas 8 ng umaga, tumatae ako. Doctor, so anong problema doon? Patient, alas 9 ako gumigising eh. It's Moto Joke Time!
A family is at the dinner table. The son asks his father, "Dad, how many kinds of boobies are there?" The father, surprised, answers, "Well, son, there's 3 kinds of breasts. In her 20s, women's breasts are like melons, round and firm. In her 30s to 40s, they are like pears, still nice but hanging a bit. After 50, they are like onions. Onions. Yes, you see them and they make you cry." This infuriated his wife and daughter, so the daughter said, "Mom, how many kinds of willies are there?" The mother, surprised, smiles and answers, "Well dear, a man goes through 3 phases. In his 20s, his willy is like an oak tree, mighty and hard. In his 30s and 40s, it is a birch, flexible but reliable. After his 50s, it is like a Christmas tree. A Christmas tree, yes, dead from the root up and the balls are just for decoration."
It's Moto Joke Time! Isang araw nag-uusap sina Mang Isko at Badong. Badong, Mang Isko, alam mo pangarap ko rin ang magsahod ng 100,000 kada buwan, tulad ng tatay ko. Mang Isko, ibig mong sabihin Badong nagsasahad ang tatay mo ng 100,000 kada buwan? Badong, hindi, yun din ang pangarap niya. It's Moto Joke Time! Pedro, wow pare, nood ako sine kanina, ubos 1,000 ko. Juan, ha, bakit? Pedro, bili ako ng bili ng tiket, pinupunit ng babae sa pinto. Adik ata. It's Moto Joke Time! Umuwi ang driver na si Juan galing Gimikan. Maria, hoy, magaling kong asawa. Saan ka na naman galing at ginabi ka ng uwi? Juan, naflatan kasi ako. Inayos pa kaya ginabi na ako. Maria, huwag mo ako pinagluloko Juan. MRT na drive mo, paano maflatan yun? Juan, ay oo nga pala. Sorry na trapod pala ako. Maria, angas ka talaga. It's moto joke time! Kidnapper, magkano niyo tutubusin ang anak niyo? Magulang, 500,000. Kidnapper, hindi pwede. Dapat may milyon. Magulang, kalahating milyon. Kidnapper, sige. Deal.
What we do here is go back, 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 back.
It's moto joke time! Estudyante, Manong, bayad po. Driver, saan galing? Estudyante, edi sa bulsa ko. Driver, hindi, saan sumakay? Estudyante, edi sa jeep nyo. Driver, loko ito ah. Bigyan ko nga ng kulang na sukli. Estudyante, oh Manong, bakit kulang ito? Magkano ba Quiapo? Driver, bakit? Pibilin mo ba? It's moto joke time! Isang araw nakita ni Juan ang kanyang tatay na may tato sa noo, tinanong ni Juan kung saan galing ang tato niya. Tatay, sa bundok sa gitna ng bundok ay may bahay sa gitna ng bahay may upuan, umupo ka sa upuan at kapag kumidlat isigaw mo dragon, nakapunta na si Juan sa bahay at ilang sandali pa umupo na siya sa upuan at nakatulog siya sa upuan. Biglang kumidlat at sinabi niya ay, Juan, ay Pepe. Nagkaroon ng tato na Pepe si Juan sa noo at sabi ng papa niya, oh, anong nangyari sa'yo? It's moto joke time! May isang lalaking nagngangalang Juan. Nakita niya ang daming tao at narinig niya na may kawawang namatay doon at dahil gustong niyang makiusyoso ay gumawa si Juan ng eksena sabi niya, Juan, hoy. Magsitabi kayo kapatid ko yan. Matapos nagsitabi ang mga tao nakita niya ang kawawa at dugo ang unggoy.